Hey kids, it's story time. Today's story is The Little Kitten and the Lost Ball. Once upon a time in a quiet village lived a playful little kitten named Mittens. Mittens loved chasing her favorite red ball around the house. One sunny morning, as she played outside, the ball rolled away and disappeared into the bushes. Mittens searched high and low but couldn't find it. Feeling sad, she sat under a tree and began to cry. A friendly sparrow heard her and flew down. "Why are you crying, Mittens?" asked the sparrow. "I lost my ball, and I don't know where it went," said Mittens. The sparrow chirped, "Don't worry, I'll help you find it." The sparrow flew around, looking for the ball. Soon, a kind dog joined in. Then, a rabbit hopped by and offered to help. Together, they searched everywhere. Finally, the rabbit found the red ball stuck in some tall grass. Everyone cheered, and Mittens was overjoyed. "Thank you for helping me," Mittens said. "I couldn't have done it without you all." From that day, Mittens learned the value of kindness and teamwork. She promised to always help others, just as her new friends helped her. Moral of the story: kindness and teamwork can solve any problem. Thanks for watching. Did you enjoy today's story? There's so much more fun and learning waiting for you. Hit the subscribe button and we will bring exciting tales and amazing lessons just for you.